as a customer, you can access the StoreFront with this URL. Just click this option, StoreFront. Okay. This is the load balancer public IP. Okay. So within that, you see different products are there. These are all different products you can see. These are all different products. You can see this option products as well as cards. Right. This is all about our customer. Customer, he will try to access our online store with this URL. Okay. So with this URL, he will try to access it. There is an option called StoreAdmin. So this is the admin console. It means internal, this online store internal team console. So this console only visible to the store admins, but this console, whoever users trying to access this application, you can see that similar to your Amazon. Right? Suppose if you are trying to access Amazon, this is console you can see. So by using this console, we can place our orders, but back end there is a team, admin team, they will try to process. Right? So these are our orders, admin console you can see. So here you can see orders. It is trying to fetch the orders.